Welcome back to I Mind Me Mind Cooking. Today, we're making vanilla bean ice cream with a classic cream Anglaise base. You will need whole milk, heavy cream, a vanilla bean, egg yolks, gum, and raw sugar. Let's get started. Pour the milk and cream into a saucepan. Mix sugar A with the gum first. Smooth ice cream starts with no lumps. No gum? Don't worry, just leave it out. Add the sugar mixture straight into the milk and cream. Give it a quick whisk to help the sugar dissolve. Slice the vanilla bean lengthwise, then scrape out every last bit of the vanilla gold. No vanilla bean, vanilla extract or vanilla paste works just fine. Add the vanilla pot too. It still has plenty of flavor left to infuse into the milk and cream. Heat it over medium-low heat until it starts steaming, but don't let it boil. Keep stirring with a spatula until the sugar completely dissolves. Turn off the heat before it starts bubbling, then let it cool slightly. Add sugar B and egg yolks to a bowl. Then, whisk right away until well combined. Now, slowly pour in the warm mixture while whisking non-stop. Add it little by little so the eggs warms up gently instead of turning into scrambled eggs. Once everything is combined, pour it all back into the saucepan. Now we're making the cream anglaise. This part really matters. Keep whisking and watch the thermometer until it hits 180 Fahrenheit or 82 Celsius. Once it gets close to the temperature, don't blink, those last few degrees fly. There it is, strain it right away. I like the stronger vanilla flavor, so I'm scraping the pot a little more. This is the consistency we are looking for. When I stir it, the custard should lightly trail behind the spatula. Look at all those vanilla specks, gorgeous. Honestly, the custard is already delicious on its own. Divide the mixture evenly between two ice cream containers. Press plastic wrap directly onto the surface. Since the custard is still warm, this helps stop condensation from dripping back in and forming unnecessary ice crystals later. Let it cool to room temperature for about an hour. Once it has completely cooled, freeze it for 24 hours. And just like that, it's the next day. Let's peel off the plastic wrap. Frozen solid. Place the pint container into outer bowls, then lock the lid in place. Feed the bowl assembly into the machine until it clicks. Then press the ice cream mold. The pedal starts spinning loudly because apparently ice cream needle sounds straight. Now press the release button to unlock it. That churned beautifully. The sugar lowers the freezing point and the heat from the spinning softens it even more. If it looks like a liquid, freeze it again for about 3 hours and it will foam right up. 3 hours later, time to grab a spoon. Let's scoop some out with a spoon and give it a try. Wow, can you see all those vanilla bean specks? Pop them onto the plate. I'm having 2 scoops, so let's scoop out one more. Pop this one onto the plate too. This is my favorite olive oil. Drizzle it over the top. I'm adding a little pink salt too. Have a closer look. Looks good, right? Alright, let me try it. It just melts away in my mouth. And just like that, it's all gone. But there are still vanilla bean specks left on the plate. This is the pink salt I used. Next up, I'm making pork ribs, so subscribe and don't miss it. Thanks for watching. I cooked mine, so you cook yours. Catch you later. Bye.